Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to register and sign in to Reddit. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe and notification on to our channel so you can get notified for our new videos. And let's start today's video without any further ado. So first let's create the Reddit account. So for this you have to go to reddit.com, enter it, and then go to this www.reddit.com. And once you're in this page, click on sign up, which is at the top right corner, and then choose which medium you want to continue with. Like if you want to make a Reddit account with your Apple account or with your Google account, or you want to use a separate account. So I'm going to use a separate account over here. So I'm going to enter a Gmail. Now I'm going to create an account using this Gmail. So continue. Now I'm going to write a username over here, which is going to be used by Reddit. So let me write a username. So this is going to be my username. Now I'm going to write my password. Writing a username and password, click on I'm not a robot. Now click on sign up, and then boom, you just created yourself a Reddit account. Just wait for it, and boom, this is my Reddit account, as you guys can see, which came in 699. Boom. So that's how you create a Reddit account. Now to log into a Reddit account, go to your browser and type reddit.com and go to the website. And once you're in your website, click on login. To create an account, you need to click on sign up. To log into an existing account, you need to click on login. Click on login. Once you're over here, enter your username and password. Let me enter mine. Entering your username and your password, if it is correct, then when you click on login, you should be able to log into your account like this. So yeah, that's basically it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day, everybody. Peace out.